Well, hello everybody. Mike Ray is here. Today, I got called for a heating unit that wants to attempt to turn on the igniter lights, but the flames come on and they shut off immediately. Usually that means a flame sensor. So we're going to double check it and make sure that that's what it is. Stand by. I went ahead and I opened the top. So right now I am going to see, I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to hit the switch on the side and I'm going to have to turn the light off to see if the igniter lights up. But the actual flame sensor, it is right there. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's right there. So it's easy access. So I want to make sure that is it. So I'm going to turn it on, and the inducer motor is going to turn on, and it's going to go through a process. I believe the igniter is down here, so you'll see a glow. And then if it turns off immediately when the flames try to come on, that's probably 90%, probably 99% of the time that's what it is. It's called the flame sensor. The one with the little red wire. Little white porcelain right there. Okay, so let's give it a try. I'm going to turn off the lights, and but I'm going to keep the sound. I just want to see. Well, there's the inducer motor just came on. I want to actually see if the igniter lights. This takes usually a few seconds. I do have a flashlight that I can. Oh, there's the sound. Clicked. There's the igniter. Let's see if it stays on. There it clicks. Stayed on. It shut off. There you go. There you go, folks. Now, let me turn the lights back on. Okay. There you go. Right now, I'm going to go take that apart. And I must sand it down and put it back in. If it is that, it'll stay on. Once I sand it down, a little light sandpaper, it'll stay on. Right now I'm going to shut it off. This is going to attempt to turn on again. So I'm going to take it out. I'm going to sand it and put it back in. If it stays on, so that's what the problem is. So I don't want the customer to go through this again. So I'm going to turn it on today because it's already 4 or 5 o'clock and the supply store is probably closed. So I'm going to turn it on so they can get some heat, and tomorrow morning I'll come in and I'll change it out. Up. Okay. Let's pull it out and see what it looks like. It's a little bit right there. It looks like it's starting to do it. I'm going to sand it down anyway and see if that's the problem. Well, I went ahead and I sanded it a little bit, and I'm going to go ahead and put it in and see if it works. Okay. Well, hopefully this will work. It's real simple to change. Right now, it should stay on. If it does it again, I am gonna go buy the new one because I got a feeling that it might be bad. But we'll find out. Okay, it's back on, and we are going to try it. Now, I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to turn off the light because I want the glow plug. Okay, there it goes. I'm going to give it less light. I want the igniter to turn on. There it clicks. Here's the igniter. Looking good so far. Let's see if the flames stay on this time. The flames are on. And they stayed on. There you go. And that's how simple it is. Everything is on still. Nothing turned off. So what I want to do is I took the part number off. I'm going to take the model of the unit and I'm going to go get a new one. So, oh, look at that. It's working like a charm. Nice. Well, there you go, folks. It was an easy fix. It didn't take time. It didn't take a lot of time. It only took like maybe 10-15 minutes. I did get the number for the part. I am going to order it and put it in and within the next couple of days. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like, and follow. See you on my next video. Mike Reyes is out.